dark spots, texture, acne, hormones. I'm gonna show you guys how I prepared my skin. Hello ladies and gents, I am Jaylyn Renee. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you stopped by today to see my skin routine. So just as a disclaimer, my skin is not perfect. I am still working on it, but I finally found the perfect routine for me to target the areas that I need to fix. So starting off, I'm going in with Dermalogica's Special Cleansing Gel. Yes, this is a smaller size. I just wanted to try it out and it works amazingly, as you guys are going to see here shortly. So really quickly, what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's upload is two of my routines. I do this one I'm doing right now, particularly on Wednesday. This is just a skin refresh, so kind of like a midweek skin refresh. And the second one that I'm going to do is going to be my Sunday night routine. So it's going to be a little bit more intense and it's going to be prepping my skin for the rest of the week. So I hope that makes sense and I will be explaining along the way. I know you guys probably have seen these before, but this is a makeup eraser towel. So I just put some warm water on there and just get all of that gunk and makeup off my face. I love how this works with cleansing oils. I'm sure it will work great with cleansing balms as well, but I highly recommend using an oil to remove your makeup because it comes off so easily. So for Wednesday, which I consider midweek, I go in with the Urban Skin RX 3-in-1 cleansing bar. I do this because it's somewhat what I consider a harsher cleanser and it's getting deeper into my pores. And again, it's just giving my skin a mini reset. I also can keep this on for a couple of minutes as a mask. So it's perfect for not only getting deep down in my pores, but also knocking out at least one of the masks for the week. Quickly, I must mention that this is their even tone cleansing bar. And guys, this was one of the first products I bought from their line, and I have never I never had anything work as quickly and as effectively as that soap. So now I'm going in with the Even Tone Enzyme Mask. Now, originally I was using this mask incorrectly and it ended up burning me. If you guys want to see that video, I will link it down below. But that's one point. Just make sure you know what products you're using and how you use them before you start using them. So I do go in with this mask on Wednesdays, again, just for a skin refresh. And I just leave it on for 10 minutes. You can leave it on for longer, but I leave it on for only 10 minutes. When I tell y'all I can't get enough of Fenty Skin, like look how much I've used. I'm gonna have to order another set, but I'm taking the Fat Water Toner and I'm just going to apply this to my face. Guys, Fenty Skin, it just feels so good on my face. It works so good with my skin, and the glow that these products give me is just absolutely amazing. The glow looks so healthy. It looks so fresh. I just love it. And I love the formula of the fat water. I know I probably said that before, but I just have to reiterate that I just love the way it works on my skin. Now, I'm taking this niacinamide, I hope that I say that correctly, because I know it helps fade dark spots. And I know the fat water does have it formulated in its formula, but just me being extra, I just add more. And honestly, guys, I don't know if adding more helps. I don't know if there's a certain percentage where it's defeats the purpose, but it seems to have definitely worked. As you can see on this side of my cheek, most of my dark spots have faded. I still can see a little bit of the marks, but there's definitely a huge difference between the cheeks. And I honestly think it's because I sleep on the side that is darker. And I also think those dark spots were darker to begin with. So it's just taking them a little bit longer to lighten up. But staying consistent is the trick. I have stayed consistent, and I do make sure I give this side of my face a little extra love and care. So next is Sunday Riley's Nighttime Retinol Serum. Yes, it's blue. I think that's super, super cool. But retinol is extremely important, especially if you want to fade some dark spots and make your skin even. I have learned this as I researched more and more about skin. So I really like using retinol and products with retinol in it. One thing that I have learned though is to use it at night. It should only be limited to night usage just because of the properties of it. And you definitely have to make sure you're wearing sunscreen when using any type of retinol. But yep, I just apply this and massage it all in my face because I'm going to sleep with this on. I know some retinol products do require you to wash it off, but I just prefer the ones that I can leave on, so it makes me feel like it's getting deep in my skin. Now I'm taking some old school Pond's and I'm going to go ahead and moisturize. Welcome to Sunday, guys. So, Sundays, I indulge in self care from head to toe. I mean, literally from head to toe. So, now it is time for skin, and I'm going in again with Dermalogica's Special Cleansing Gel. So on Sundays and every other day except for Wednesday, I go in with my Fenty Skins cleanser, and I usually go ahead and apply it on my face dry first just to get up all of the makeup, and then I go back in with water to make more suds appear. So you're gonna see exactly what I do. So are you guys ready for the secret? It is this AHA mask. Oh my gosh. So I was in Ulta one day and I asked about dark spots, and the lady gave me a sample of the Good Genes AHA mask, and oh my god, that took my skin to another level. But honey, I'm a mommy, I got two little ones, I got bills to pay, we in a pandemic, all of that. So I just couldn't see myself spending $100 on one product, just one. So I went ahead and did some research, and I found out that this AHA mask by The Ordinary was extremely comparable and extremely similar to the Good Genes mask. So I copped this baby for $7. $7 versus 100. Come on now. So I absolutely love this. I do it every single Sunday. I let it sit on my face for 10 minutes. And guys, when I tell you, you probably can see my dead, dry skin just comes up off my face, and my face feels so smooth. I see a brightness in my face. This has literally changed the game. So while I wait for the timer, of course, I'm going to go in with this Milani scrub and just exfoliate my lips. I'm going to scroll on Instagram on my phone. I'm just going to take some time to relax, listen to some good music, and wait until it's time to take this mask off. So now we're going back in with our fat water toner. Just gonna make sure we coat our face with that. And then we're going in with our ponds. Now you may notice that I did not use my retinol oil, my retinol serum tonight on Sundays, and that is because you're not supposed to use AHAs in the same routine as retinol. So please make note of that. You don't want to use those in the same routine. You'll end up doing more damage than anything. So skip the retinol your AHA nights. So here is my skin up close. Guys, when I tell you my skin has progressed so much, I'm so happy and I'm so excited to be seeing the results I am seeing. Like I said, this cheek is an area I just have to work on a little bit more, but I'm still overall happy and excited about how far my skin has come. And I'm happy to finally have a regimen that I know is working and that makes sense. So I hope you ladies gents enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to continue to update you guys on my progress, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.